Hi, I'm Sarah and I want a pixie haircut, and that's why I decided to give myself a pixie haircut today. At least I'm gonna try. I know I've done a DIY pixie or short haircut video in the past. I spent a few hours researching some pixie haircut tutorials as well, and I found my own. But today I want to go a little bit shorter than my previous pixie haircut, and it's a few years ago since I did my last short haircut by myself, so I'm a little bit excited. But as you can see, it's time. My hair is so bulky and voluminous, and I wanted to go for a textured pixie cut, because as you can see, blunt haircuts on my hair structure looks a little bit helmety without styling, and I hope the pixie will change that. Okay, to be honest, I am very excited. And I don't know if I can talk much while doing it. I will also place the tutorial that guides me here in front of me. I will also link this tutorial down below. Okay, this is the parting. Side parts, top part, separated back part. So now I'm gonna start cutting and stop talking because I have to focus. Okay, so now let me explain what I'm doing here. The lady in the video told us to hold the hair in a 90-degree angle and then cut it down with a little zigzag motion out of your wrist. This is what I tried at least, but I have to say it wasn't that easy in the beginning because I had to get used to the double reflection mirror perspective. I would say I was getting better after a while, but the neck part was the hardest for me. This is what I can actually do better next time, so I tried to go over some parts with a little bit freehand, and I got this razor from Amazon, and I will put you the link down below. I repeated this for my whole neck part, and I feel like I was getting a little bit better and was able to cut a little bit more hair the higher I was getting. The hairstylist also told us if we are working with new sections, we can use the already cut off hair as guidance, so we know where to cut the new sections. Okay, now we are coming almost to the upper part. This is actually what annoys me about my hair. It's just too much and everything takes me so long, whatever I do with my hair. And of course I need to wet them before I do cut them. I don't know, it's something I just get used to. And I started to work more with the comb to separate even more straight new sections, and then I can cut them even more in a cleaner zigzag way because I feel like I have more control. So now I will be a little bit off voice because I don't know what else I should explain more, because as you can see I show you the motions kind of like I wanted to try to show you the motions as clear as possible so you can actually copy it. But I also linked you the original video from the professional hairstylist in my description down below, and I will be back when I'm almost done. Okay. Okay. Okay, actually looks very good so far. I haven't expected this. Okay, this is how it looks so far. Wait. I mean, it came out cooler than I thought. I haven't cut the Hime part yet, and also not my bangs, because I just wanted to check out first how it actually looks like this. But my Hime part is definitely too blunt for me. So I would say I'm actually done. It just air dried. I haven't dried it yet. Okay. But I actually like it. I wouldn't have thought I would get it like this silhouette, but it actually was kind of easy. Is a pixie cut very easy? Is it possible? Is it possible? Pixie cut is easy? Possible? I feel like I was a little bit shy, but let me style this look. I'm prepared with the Nivea hairstyling cream. I was actually especially looking for styling products to keep my stubborn short hair in place, and I wanted to avoid this helmety look, so I tried this Nivea hairstyling cream. I actually really like it, and I'm kind of excited to try it out on my new hairstyle now. I just gave myself a pixie, oh my god. So I needed to empty my phone storage, and I just used the time to change my makeup a little bit because I like it. Because I feel like with shorter hair you can go way more dramatic with your eye makeup. I wanted to keep my Hime sides. Also, you guys told me don't give it up, the Hime element. I didn't want to change it anyways. I wanted to keep it, but I wasn't sure if this is gonna work with the Pixie haircut. As you guys know, I like to experiment, and I hadn't had a structured plan about the side parts here, but I like it so much. Feels so clean. I don't know, it's giving cool, you know? Yeah, and I feel like I'm back in my short hair era now. I don't know how the back looks like now, but let's change perspective a little bit. I am in love with my new pixie cut, and I didn't expect it being so easy. I mean, I'm used to cut my own hair, and I got a little practice here and there, so I'm not saying it's easy to do it at home. But I mean, look at the final, look at the result. It's so cool. It looks, or is it a little bit, was I a little bit shy with getting shorter? But what I like is all the volume in the back is gone, and it just seems like on purpose like this, okay? But yeah, next time I want to dye my hair. So let me know what you think about my new pixie cut, my new textured pixie cut, and yeah, thank you for watching till the end.